Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include anti-lock brakes, traction control, rear view camera, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2016 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, tire pressure monitor, FWD. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, child safety locks, power steering, bucket seats, rear head airbag, driver airbag, driver vanity mirror, pass-through rear seat, passenger airbag. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.